Is it time to buy or sell Amazon stock? In this video, we will explore Amazon in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 1st of July, 2025, and we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4, that's StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 28th of May 2025, our system has identified Amazon as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 3.43. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced a gain of 7.69%. This results in an average return of 0.32% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock is positioned within a wide and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating that a further increase is anticipated. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 24.77% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 15.79% to 32.26%. In terms of a longer perspective, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of around 11.52%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary between negative 12.76% and 27.80% over the next year. In current terms, this would translate to a future price likely between $192.32 and $281.75. Our latest daily update for Amazon includes the headline, Amazon stock upgraded to buy candidate. The Amazon stock price increased by nearly 0.5% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 1st of July, 2025, rising from $219.39 to $220.46. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated by 1.8%, with a low of $217.94 and a high of $221.87. The price has declined in 6 of the last 10 days, but remains up by 2.02% over the past 2 weeks. Volume decreased on the last day by 22 million shares, totaling 37 million shares traded for approximately $8.2 billion. It is important to note that falling volume alongside rising prices can indicate divergence and may serve as an early warning of potential changes in the upcoming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $242.52, while the lowest was $151.61. Currently, the price stands 9.1%, or $22.06, below the 52-week high, and 83.11%, or $1,084.74, below the all-time high on January 15, 2018, when the price peaked at $1,305.20. Amazon is currently in the spotlight due to significant actions taken by its founder, Jeff Bezos. Recently, Bezos sold over 3,300,000 shares, amounting to nearly $737 million. This transaction is part of a prearranged plan allowing him to sell up to 25 million shares through May 2026. Such large-scale sales can often lead to volatility in the stock price in the short term, as they may raise concerns among investors about insider sentiment. On a more optimistic note, Amazon has reached a major automation milestone by deploying its 1 millionth robot and is upgrading its operations with a new generative artificial intelligence model. This development signals a commitment to enhancing efficiency and productivity, which could positively affect long-term profitability and investor confidence. Additionally, CEO Andy Jassy has shared insights on inflationary pressures, stating that Amazon hasn't experienced significant price increases due to tariffs. The company's strategic forward buying mitigates potential supply chain disruptions, which could bode well for maintaining margins and stability in the face of economic uncertainties. Analysts remain bullish on Amazon, with a buy rating from Bank of America and a price forecast of $248 per share. Primarily driven by anticipated sales boosts from the upcoming artificial intelligence-powered 4-day Prime Day. This event is expected to generate substantial revenue, further positioning Amazon for growth. In summary, While Bezos' share sale might induce short-term stock fluctuations, Amazon's strategic advancements and optimistic analyst outlook suggest strong potential for long-term growth, reassuring investors. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 2nd of June 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned Amazon a buy grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 6th of May 2025, it was reported that UBS assigned Amazon a buy grade with a hold action. On the same Tuesday, the 6th of May 2025, it was reported that JMP Securities assigned Amazon a market outperform grade with a hold action. Again, on Tuesday, the 6th of May 2025, it was reported that Tigris Financial assigned Amazon a buy grade with a hold action. On Friday, the 2nd of May 2025, it was reported that Cantor Fitzgerald assigned Amazon a hold grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Amazon stock a general neutral rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. In terms of return on investment, the analysts have awarded the stock a strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Amazon. Today, the stock presents mixed signals. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Friday, June 27, 2025, and since then, it has decreased by 1.27%. Further decline is likely until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, known as MACD. However, the Amazon stock also displays buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook. Furthermore, there is a general buy signal stemming from the relationship between these averages, where the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support can be expected at the levels of $216.21 and $210.25. Should the stock fall below either of these levels, sell signals will be triggered. Notably, trading volume declined during the last day, despite an increase in prices, resulting in a divergence between volume and price, which could serve as an early warning. Therefore, close attention should be paid to the stock. Here are some additional signals that may catch your interest. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal, pivots, sell signal 3 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 3 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 7 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 39 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal 42 days ago. Looking at the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, sell signal 8 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 22 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal 17 days ago. For more signals, please visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Amazon. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $191.10 and $175.26. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, as breaking this level may lead the stock to fall to the next support level. In this instance, Amazon finds support just below today's level at $191.10. If this is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $175.26 and $171. This stock is typically traded at a good volume, and with minor daily changes, the risk is considered to be low. During the last day, the stock moved $3.93, which is 1.8% between its high and low. Over the past week, the stock has experienced an average daily volatility of 2.42%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Amazon, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. This is a relatively normal PE ratio, often seen in businesses with long track records or predictable revenues. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is expected on the 7th of August, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $1.31. Keep an eye on these numbers, as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Amazon. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Amazon is at $223.30. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Amazon encounters its first support level at $191.10. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Amazon from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Let's take a look at some recent insider trades. On the 27th of June, 2025, Jeffrey Bezos conducted an insider sale of 3,083,140 shares of common stock, with a par value of 1 cent per share. On the same day, Jeffrey Bezos conducted another insider sale of 16,860 shares of common stock, also with a par value of 1 cent per share. On the 30th of June, 2025, Jeffrey Bezos conducted an insider sale of 224,926 shares of common stock, with a par value of 1 cent per share. On the 3rd of June, 2025, Jeffrey Bezos conducted an insider sale of 24,410 shares of common stock, with a par value of 1 cent per share. On the 2nd of June, 2025, Douglas J. Harrington conducted an insider sale of 2,500 shares of common stock, with a par value of 1 cent per share. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of negative 90.898. Overall, insiders purchased 231,855 shares and sold 4,635,190 shares in the last 100 trades. Our suggested stop loss is set at $211.91, reflecting a decrease of 3.88%. This stock demonstrates low daily fluctuations, contributing to a reduced risk profile. Additionally, there is a sell signal triggered by a pivot top identified 2 days ago. Is Amazon stock a good buy? Several short-term signals, along with a generally positive trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity. There is a fair chance for Amazon stock to perform well in the near future. We have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation from a hold accumulate to a buy candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 2nd of July, we expect Amazon to open lower by 370 cents and start trading at $220.09. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using the information provided, you agree and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With best regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.